Russia's Sukhoi and MiG fighter jets will account for 10% of the global fighter jet market between 2021 and 2025, said Aviation Week and Space Technology magazine in its calculations. According to the survey, obtained by TASS, the global fighter jet market is estimated to reach $162.6 billion in 2021 to 2025. Sukhoi will account for 9% of that at around $15.2 billion, while MiG will own 1% around $2.1 billion. Sukhoi planes will be in the top 3 of the world's largest fighter aircraft makers, after Boeing with 10% around $16.4 billion and Lockheed Martin with 48% around $77.8 billion, TASS said. From 2021 to 2025, Sukhoi is expected to produce 218 fighter jets or 11% of global fighter jet production. MiG aircraft are expected to produce 43 aircraft or 2%. The magazine also included the Su-35 fighter jet in its list of most famous fighter jets for 2021 to 2025. In a survey of the military transport aircraft industry, the magazine said Russian aircraft maker Ilyushin will produce 12% of all such aircraft on the global market between 2021 and 2025. According to Aviation Week and Space Technology, Ilyushin will produce 69 military transport aircraft in the reported period. It will be fourth on the list of world's largest transport aircraft makers, after Boeing 88 planes or 15%, Airbus 99 aircraft or 17% and Lockheed Martin aircraft 127 or 21%.